In a bright summer field, an ant worked hard. She carried food day after day. Nearby, a grasshopper sang and danced. "Why work so hard?" he laughed. "Come and enjoy the sun." But the ant kept working. "Winter will come," she said. The grasshopper ignored her. He played all summer. Then winter came. The wind blew cold. There was no food. The grasshopper felt hungry. He went to the ant's home. "Please help me," he said. The ant looked at him. "I worked all summer," she said. "You should have done the same." The grasshopper learned his lesson. Work today for tomorrow.